What's up, guys? Got me a cup of coffee, got me a bagel. It's like a blueberry bagel. So, guys, I think this is what I think. The market's pretty much in shambles. I think there's going to be some more downside coming into the market, and it just hasn't hit yet. The market look like it's at this point where it's trying to turn around, but I do think a very big downfall is coming into the market in a lot of stocks. So with that being said, I'm at the point now where I feel comfortable buying more stocks. It's not financial advice, but I feel like we're at a bottom of a pot. And then if we go even lower, that'll be good for me. Okay? Because I'm looking at some stocks that no, crypto. I'm looking at crypto because crypto is very related to stocks. Okay, so I looked at some of the crypto that I bought a year ago, half a year ago, and I'm comparing the price. Like I'm comparing, like, okay, let's say Bitcoin. Like I bought some Bitcoin at a certain price, and I thought that was a good price back then. Okay, and I went back in and I typed in the same amount of money I spent back then, and I see I can get a lot more. I can get a lot more crypto for the price I did back then. Okay, and another example, like I bought some Shiba Inu, and I had a whole bunch. I bought a whole bunch back then when I thought it was at a low point. I kept buying down. So I went back in today because I haven't looked at my sheep in a very long time. And I went in, I said, you know what? Let me see how much it is versus what I paid back then. Because I bought a big lump sum. So I typed in the number, typed in the price, and I was like, wow, it's a big difference. So I'm going to be buying some more crypto. I'm going to be moving some things around, selling some that I don't think is really profitable, that I pretty much took a loss on, and I'm going to move around and turn it into like other type of coins. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same probably with some stocks. Some of my stocks were supposed to be short term, but I have so many things that I'm watching and I'm buying and trading that you kind of forget about. Like you kind of push them to the back and you forget about them. So I'm looking at them, and I'm just ready to switch them and trade them into stocks that I think is going to be more profitable. I have a category of stocks that's more of a long-term investment, like, you know, like Apple, Nike, those big dogs. Okay, that's more of a, I'm gonna use that more of a savings, just like a savings account. And then I have the stocks that I'm like, I really want to make a quick return and flip and all that I really don't be holding long. But yeah, so that's what it is. I do feel like we're at a bottom part of a market, but I think there's probably a little bit more downside. And the reason why I feel this way, because another reason, like I was watching AMC, watching GameStop, especially I was watching AMC and how it was just staying stagnant, like in this certain zone. And I keep talking about it in my other videos. It stays in a certain zone, and it hasn't did anything. Like the volume goes up, the volume is down, and it's like just hovering. And I felt like something's about to break. Like something's about to happen. Either it's going to come down, slamming down hard, or it's just going to like snap and take off. Okay, so it's preparing to do something. There may be a big rise up for a moment, and then I think it's going to come crashing down a little bit before another big rise. Okay, those are my thoughts. But I'm going to go ahead and drink my coffee, eat my bagel, and see what the market's doing and do a AMC market update. All right, guys, take care. See you.